Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are seeing 19th question.
Yes, sir.
Three numbers are chosen from 1 to 20. Find the probability that they are not consecutive. Three numbers chosen from 1 to 20. What is the probability that they are not consecutive? So here, we want they are not consecutive, right?
Yes, sir.
So three numbers are chosen from 1 to 20 means 20C3. Okay, N of S.
Yes, sir.
N of S is surely
20C3.
this is N of S. Find probability that they are not consecutive. They should not be consecutive. Three
If they are consecutive, it will be 18 by 20C3.
Yes, exactly. They are consecutive 18 by, correct.
Yes, sir.
They are consecutive. So,
We subtract the value from 1. 1 minus 18 by 20C3.
okay, good. Okay, done. So then whatever comes, that's the answer. Okay. Well, shuffling a pack of 52 playing cards, two are accidentally dropped. Find the probability that the missing cards to be of different colors. Okay, missing two cards dropped. That can be any one of the 52, right? 52C2. Base.
Yes, sir.
Find probability that the missing cards are to be of different colors. So what is this? Different colors. So 26, it should come from 26C1 and, right? 26C1 and 26.
26C1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, this will be 26, 126 gets cancelled, and yeah. So remaining will be the answer. I think you got it. Okay, this will be 26 into 26 by 52 into 51 into by 2, right? 52. So this and this gets cancelled. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the next 7 persons are to be seated in a row. The probability that two particular persons sit next to each other is, I think you can do that. Without repetition of the numbers, 4-digit numbers are formed. With numbers 0, 2, 3, 5, probability of such a number divisible by 5. That also can. A and B are mutually exclusive events then. So what is the relation between these? A and B are. I think they can, this is all you can do now. Regular questions on.
Yes, sir. So can we do the 23rd question now?
Yeah, 23rd only we should do. A mutually exclusive events. A mutually exclusive in the sense A and intersection B is 5. That's all.
Yes, sir. It's null set.
Null set. That much we know.
Sir, so but how do we
Yes.
know these relations? Like, how do we figure it out?
Yes. So that is no A and B, right?
Yes, sir.
So first one, let's take A. If you take A, what will happen? Probability of A is less than or equal to probability of B complement. That is 1 minus probability of B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So probability of A plus probability of B is less than or equal to 1. That's what is the meaning of this first one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Probability of A plus probability of B means what? Probability of A union B less than or equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because A intersection B is 5. When A intersection B is 5, probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B, because A and B are mutually exclusive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's what is given. So this is less than or equal to 1. But this automatically, this becomes what? B option becomes what? B option is probability of A union B is greater than or equal to 1. Definitely this is not. It is either 1 or greater than 1. This is not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Then this one becomes what? Probability of A union B is definitely less than 1. This is less than or equal to 1. This is less than 1. None of this. So what you can say? Less than 1 you can say, or less than or equal to 1 you can say.
So, equal to 1, I guess, right?
Less than or equal to 1. It is less than or equal to 1, but less than 1 we cannot say. It can be equal to 1 also, because just probability of A union B, that's it. So you can't say it is definitely less than or equal to 1, we can't say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what else? Okay, this is less than or equal to 1. Next, if A union B equal to A intersection B for any two events A and B, then what can you say? No. I think this is clear. This is clear, or any doubts?
So, understood.
Okay. Okay, right. The next, probability of A and B equal to probability of A intersection B for any two events A and B. Then what can you say about this? Probability of A and B is
I think this is also a sets question in a way. The answer for those for 1 second, I'll get the answer.
this. For this, what is the answer?
So is it A?
Probability of A should be equal to probability of B. Why?
Yes, sir. So because I just looked at the question and logically one can't be greater than the other if
Oh.
because for any two events A and B. So over here, I'm just guessing on the answer, but A and B and A and B. I mean, I don't know how to explain, but I figured that one
Yeah,
can't be greater than the
exactly.
other. So
Exactly. There is
I,
no clue. There is no clue or cause or possibility that we can say something is greater than the other. A is greater than
in this
B is
case,
greater than.
that's why I
You
went
can't
for
say yes.
yes,
And
sir.
B it is just given like this. So you can't
Mm.
say anything. A greater than
So
B.
actually, I think if we draw a Venn diagram for this, it becomes easier.
No, probability of A and B equal to probability of A intersection B. Yes. You are correct. A union B, exactly. So A union B, this is intersection. This whole thing is A union. This cannot be equal if this is like this, one upon other. Understand?
Yes, sir. That's why it's equal. That's why
Yeah,
it's
A
this is
equal to B, then one upon other. Intersection is this only. Union is
yes, and union is also that.
okay. Good. Okay, next. Okay, then 6 boys and 6 girls sit in a row. Probable that all the girls sit together. You don't know this one anyway.
Yes, sir.
You know the probability that all the girls sit together. They can sit in a row. How many ways they can sit? How many ways they can sit? Yes or no?
6 boys and 6 girls.
Sit in a row at random. No? All those 12 people are sitting. So all those 12 people are sitting in a row. How many ways they can sit randomly?
Is it
12
6
factorial, right?
factorial into 6
No,
factorial?
no, no, no. 6 boys and 6 girls sit in a row randomly. All those 12 people are sitting. 12 people in 12 places they are sitting. How many ways? 12 factorial, right?
Yes, in the numerator.
Numerator, we are telling numerator. The problem that all the girls sit together. Girls, that means what? 6 girls, 1 unit. Plus 6 boys. 6 boys.
Yes, that's why I said 6 factorial.
7 units. 7 units.
7. Okay, okay, okay. So it becomes 6 factorial into 7 factorial.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. The probability that it is a vowel is. Yeah, this little challenging question. Probability that it's a vowel. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Yeah, okay. The probability that the letter is vowel. Anyway, that's all.
It's 4 by 11.
Okay, what are the words? E, I,
O.
O. Only 4 are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 4 out of 11, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's right. Okay, that's easy only. Next, the probabilities of A to fail an examination and that of B is probable that either A or B fails. Got the question?
Yes, sir. I got the question.
A or B?
So is it probability of A complement
No, Either A or B. A or B. That's it. A or B fails. Probability that A fails, B fails is given. Then probability that either A or B fail. A union B, right? A or B. Probability of either A or B.
Yes, sir. He gives the probability of the fail percent only. So
that is going to be probability of
A plus probability of B.
no minus probability of
Minus probability of A intersection B.
probability of A 0.2. Probability of 0.3 minus probability of A intersection. See here, probability of A and B are independent. Okay. Probability of A to fail an examination is and that of B. Just a minute. Second. Last one. Okay. Okay, here we'll see once we'll draw diagrams. Okay. Either A or B or both. Actually, what we say is probability of A union B. Or A union B is what?
P of A plus P of B minus probability of A intersection B.
Okay, but either A or B. Okay, either A or B. Okay, anyway, this is probability of A intersection B. Here, okay, their concept is A and B Okay, I'll tell you here one thing. A and B are independent.
Just they don't have any common elements.
Yeah, no, not like common elements. A and B are independent in the sense that if A fails, B fail or pass. B, what about B? If A fails, let's say in exam, B will fail or pass. Two persons are there in the class, A and B. If A fails, B fail or pass. You can't say no. They are independent.
We can't tell, yes, sir.
They are independent. When they are independent, what you can say is probability of A into probability of B. A and B are independent, then you can say probability of A into probability of B. This will come in 12th grade. That's the reason I have. Okay, this is going to be 0.5 minus probability of A into probability of B. That is going to be 0.06 probability of A union B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what you can say is here, now probability of A union B is 0.5. That means what? Probability of A union B, what you can say is this is less than 0.5.
Less than 0.5. Yes, sir. So option A.
Option A is greater than 0.5. Option A is greater than 0.5. No? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Option C. Sorry.
Option B is what is here. It did not give. I think this is less than, I think, than 0.5. This is give 0, not possible. This I think less than, I think this is did not give. He gave 5.
Sir, I think the option over there is 0.5 only.
Okay. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
What is it? 4 into 5. Here 0.5, let's say this is equal to, let's say, is 0.5. That is means what? Is means equal. This is less than or equal to 0.5. This is 0. This is not possible. Greater than is not possible.
So can it be option C, but can't be equal to 0.5 also, right?
Can't be 0.5.
So, so maybe what you're saying is only right. Maybe they forgot the symbol over there.
Okay. Okay, that's 0.5. Okay, so she is not joining. So what shall we do is, okay, what shall we do? This 28, but you can do. Okay,
Sir, I'll do one thing. I'll finish
yes.
all the sums for today and probability.
Okay, this you try to answer only. Anyway, a few questions on left. No? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll share them on my own.
Right.
And so in between, we have true or false questions also. So I don't think that's going to be.
Yeah. Okay.
So are we starting with a new chapter today?
Okay. Yeah, we'll start.
Okay, sir.
So here is Phonic Sections. So anyway, I'm recording the class, so I'll send it. That's the only way. Okay, all right. So here, Phonic sections, phonics or phonic sections. So how many types of phonic sections are there? So here, now you know this is called double napped phone. Right? So if you cut with a plane, so whenever you cut a solid figure, already we discussed in 3D geometry, solid figure, whenever you cut solid figure, you must cut with a plane. Okay, if you cut with a plane, Now let's say you are cutting this with a plane, like this plane, cutting with a plane, like this. Then what will happen if you cut with a plane? Then this will be like this. So your cutting will be like this. That means the section, the conic section, when you cut, how do you cut? If you cut with 90 degrees. So this is called, yeah, I'm drawing here, this is called axis of this cone. This is called axis. So if it is 90 degrees, now this plane is like this plane you are cutting 90 degrees. Just imagine you are cutting a cone. Okay, now how we are cutting? You are cutting like this, just like this you are cutting. That means what? This is the axis you are cutting 90 degrees. That means what? Parallel to the cone. You can say parallel to the cone or perpendicular to the axis of the cone. Okay, if you cut, then what you get? You get circle. Yes, sir? No?
Yes, sir.
Able to imagine circle you are going to get. Okay. Yeah, here. Okay, here. Yeah, you will see here. If you cut like this, you are going to get circle. This is showing little. See, like this, if you cut with 90 degrees, you are going to get a circle. But if you cut a little slant, if you cut little slant, what you are going to get? You are going to get a oval kind of thing. That's called ellipse. Anyway, that we'll discuss later. But if you cut, you are able to understand. If you cut perpendicularly, then what you are going to get?
Circle.
Yeah, that much is clear, right? Circle. So anyway,
Yes, sir.
you are able to see now screen.
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay. Whiteboard you are able to see, right?
So I can't see the whiteboard.
What you are seeing?
So I can see the diagrams in the textbook.
I think now you are able to see, right? Whiteboard.
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Okay, circle you are going to get. So here, here we have, according to your, how do you cut the plane? According to your angle here, this is 90 degrees. According to angle, you may get a circle. One thing we study circle. Another is ellipse. Ellipse. Third thing we study is parabola. And fourth thing we study is hyperbola. These are the four things we are going to study. Here, all these things we get here only. Of course, if you want to have a rough idea, just I can tell you that, if you cut here, if you cut this one like this, you cut like this, what you are going to get is you are going to get a oval kind of thing. That's called ellipse. Ellipse is like this, you get. It will slant. But if you cut even more, if you take even bigger angle, like this, if you cut like this, then what you are going to get is you are going to get a parabola. If you cut like this, then you are going to get a parabola like this. Like this parabola you are going to get. Then you are going to get hyperbola. Okay, anyway, this solid figure, okay, we'll show that one. Okay, tomorrow I'll show, but now we are going to study circle. First conic section is circle. So we are going to study circle. Okay, so another definition I'm telling, okay, how you got circle from conics. This is one of the conic section. That's one thing we studied. And another definition for the circle, is locus of a point moving in a plane such that it is equidistant from a fixed point. Yes or no? Fixed point. Point moving in a fixed, this is a fixed point. This is, let's say, equidistant. So this point is moving like this in a plane moving. How? With a fixed distance, it is moving like this. What you get? You get a circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's what is a circle. My God, this is coming like this. Okay. Circle. So this is what is a, so here fixed point. What is the fixed point here? So I will take one fixed point. This is a fixed point. Now this is a fixed distance. Okay, equidistance. One thing is equidistance. This is a fixed point. This fixed point is called center. This equidistance. No, this point is now equidistance like this. It is moving. So this is equidistance. This distance is called radius. This equidistance is radius of the circle. This fixed point is center. You know this anyway.
Yes, sir.
This is so now here what we are going to learn is how to find, in straight lines, what is the equation of straight lines. Similarly here also what we are going to learn is equation of circle. One thing is equation of circle. Okay, but to have equation of circle with what? With center and radius with given center and radius. They will give you center and radius. You need to find out equation of the circle. That is one. Another thing is they give you equation of circle. You need to find out center and radius. That's it. We don't have much in this circle. So now we are going to find this equation of the circle. So now you need to take center, right? See, I am taking center as some h comma q, and radius I am taking as some radius. Let's take radius as some r. R is the radius. Now let's say this is a circle. This is circle. Okay, this is a circle. This is our circle. So now this is point P. Okay, x comma y. This is, let what we say, let px comma y be a variable point. Variable point means what? Variable point means what? Like x. If we don't know anything, we take x. Now here also we have, because it is a point, we need to take some x comma y. This is variable. Yes. That means what? It will vary. It will vary on the circle. It will vary. It may be here. It may be here. It may be here. Okay, sir. No?
Yes, yes. So C h comma k cannot be considered a variable point.
No, this is fixed point.
Yes, I understand.
That's variable point. Now what we say is Cp equal to R. Yes or no? Cp is always
yes, sir. Equal to.
So what is Cp? What is Cp? Distance between C and
the distance between.
So that is Cp square equal to R square. What is Cp square? Distance between C and P, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Square root and square
root, yes, they get cancelled.
Equal to R square. This is equation of the circle. That's it.
Yes.
Given center and radius. So for example, like this. Now find equation of circle with center 2, 3 and radius 5. So how do you find? So this is center 2, 3 and this is radius 5. So then you take px comma y as some variable point. So then what you get? Cp equal to 5, right? So from that what you get? Directly you can substitute x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5 square. This is the equation of circle. If you want, you can simplify. What you get? X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 6 9 is equal to 25. So if you bring this side, okay, of course, you can put in standard form. What is that? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus this is 13, that is 25. So if you bring this side, then it's going to be 13 minus 12. Shall I write minus 12 directly? Minus 12, right? Minus 12 equal to 0. This is standard form. This is called standard form. This is called standard form. What is that standard form? So equation of circle will be like this: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is what is called standard form. Okay, here you are able to see x square plus y square, 2gx plus 2fy plus constant. X term, x square term will be there, y square term will be there, x term will be there, y term will be there, constant will be there.
Yes, sir.
Or you can say general equation of straight line. You know what is the general equation of straight line?
X plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Similarly, general equation. Okay, this you can call. This is.
Sir, also I just remembered, we only have half the portion for the exams. That's what most of the teachers are saying.
Half the portion means what? This phonic sections is there or not?
Phonic sections is there, so only but we don't have the first chapters like sets, and then complex numbers and quadratic equations,
okay.
straight lines. We don't have all those chapters.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. This is called general equation, right? General equation of straight line, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Okay, so once, just a minute.